Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Avishan Hasrul Rahman from MIPA 4 number 4. Today I will tell about beaver moose deer. In a vast wilderness live a wide variety of animals. One of them is a deer. The one deer is known to have extraordinary agility. Not only clever, the moose deer is also known as an animal that is friendly to others. Like one morning, he saw a mother duck swimming with her chicks. The moose deer, who was exploring the forest, greeted the duck. "Hey duck, it's great for you to swim." Likewise for the other animals that along the way never stopped greeting him. That's the deer with the animals that always respected in the forest. Not only friendly, the deer who are famous for their agility are also often forest animals to help solve problems. Many come to the moose deer if they have a problem. The moose deer is happy to help and solve the problem of his friend. Like when, while walking through the forest, he found three chicks trapped in there deep in a hole. The moose deer immediately approached the chick and went down into the hole to help those who were trapped. After going inside, the deer put his body and asked to the chick to ride with. "Come on, you guys can climb into my body, so you can get out of this and meet your mother," said friendly deer. After all, Chick managed to climb into his body, the moose deer directed him out of the hole and walked to the mother and who was looking for the chicks. He also released the chicks to the mother. The mother was very happy and grateful to the deer who had helped their child. Not only then, the three chicks also shared unison to say thank you to the moose deer. "Thank you, Mr. Deer," said the three chicks happily.
After a walk, the deer began to feel hungry. He pulled over to eat the grass around him. After eating grass, the moose deer sighed. "The grass alone does not make me full." After being satisfied with drinking, the moose deer, who was looking at the river, immediately lit up when he saw something interesting on the other side of the river. The things that makes him interested is the fruit trees that can relieve his hunger earlier. He was looking for a way to be able to cross without danger, until he got an idea, namely by tricking the crocodiles in the river. Look for the crocodile up to the river bank towards the deer who looks happy. "Hey dear, what are you doing to the river? Would you like to be our meal?" asked the crocodile to the deer. The moose deer answered the crocodile happily. "I have good news for all of you. I brought fresh meat from the king and was ordered to count the number of the crocodiles in the river. You just line up the river and I'll count them later." Happy to hear the news that the deer brought fresh meat for him and his other crocodile friends. The crocodile then agreed to the deer's request and called all the crocodiles in the river to line up to form a bridge. "Ready?" said all the crocodiles excitedly. The moose deer happily read the crocodiles and pretended to count the crocodiles that had lined up to build the bridge. After reaching the end, the moose deer headed to the riverbank. Then he said, "Thanks to the crocodiles, thanks to you, I was able to cross this river." After saying that to the crocodile, the deer immediately ran fast, leaving the crocodile angry because of his actions. The moose deer freely eat the fruits on the other side of the river to get rid of his hunger. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.